runner-up. The hip hop music maestro. Our second runner-up is from Purok Nueve. Our second runner-up is to be awarded by Miss Lori B. Laparan, one of our board of judges. Ito na ikaw atong second runner-up.
Thankful, happy.
Ayan, so should be thankful. Ayan. Our first runner-up for the Mutian. Purok Uno! Ayan, let's give a round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, to be awarded by our SK Gagawad, Eileen, Razel, and Eliza, together with Lando Recto and Board of Judges, Angelo Magale. And Perlita Gakay, Gagawad Perlita Gakay. She will receive a cash prize, bouquet, and sash. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I will announce our Mutian ng Turismo 2024 is from Purok Judges. Let's win our Mutian ng Turismo 2024 to be awarded by Michael Bandua, our Vice Mayor, together with Board Member Lanya Kadumog and Grace Sakalaton, our Board of Directors, Board of Judges. She will be our Mutian ng Turismo to be awarded by Michael Balindua, BM Lanya Kadumog, and one of our Board of Judges, Grace Sakilabon. Together with our board member, Lanier Kaupoy Kadumog, our Tico Party Subvention Chairman, and our Vice Mayor, Michael Jan Balindua, and our Board of Judges, Grace Sakilabon. Yeah. Together with, let's give them a round of applause, please, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is but first, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much sa ato ang mga Board of Judges at ato mga sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen,